It was my father who actually started the business in 1987, and he started just brokering printing until he bought his first AB Dick printer, and just kept growing. And then in 1997, we bought our first 40-inch Heidelberg printer. At that point, we were doing a few $1 million a year, and we've continued to grow organically throughout the years. And now we have 2 Heidelberg presses, a full bindery, a full wide format shop, small format digital, and mailing and kit packing.
So we installed the CX102 in April, May of 2019. Our make-ready times were 30 to 45 minutes. And if we were running at 10 to 11,000 sheets an hour, we thought we were doing great. When we were looking to make an investment on a new press, we were told this press will make ready in 100 to 150 sheets, make ready in 5 to 10 minutes. And when a sales rep's telling you something, the machine might run 70–80%, but you rarely get what the machine specs. Putting this machine in has really, in hindsight, really shows the challenges we were facing. It's amazing how much your capacity will increase when your make-ready times go from 45 minutes to 5 minutes, and then the amount of money that you can save taking your make-ready sheets from 300 to 400 to 50 to 100. You're saving a lot of money, and what does that mean for the customer? It means we can offer more competitive price, quicker turnaround times, and a more consistent product.
It has made us really a night and day different printer, from the in-press control, knowing that the first sheet is going to match the 50,000th sheet, so the quality to our customer, but it's also increased the speed that we run. We run 60-pound gloss text to 24-point board at 16,500 sheets per hour, and our make-readies are down under 10 minutes, striving to be to 7 or 8 minutes. So that one press has taken the place of 2.5 presses. We still have one 40-inch Heidelberg on the floor that's running just a few days a week now. We push for our employees to give our customers the best product, and we need to give them the best hardware and technology to keep our customers happy and make it easy for the employees to do their job.
Quality's always been something that we've kind of prided ourselves on, but that being said, in the past, to produce a quality product, you had to have a quality pressman, which we still have, but this press, it doesn't take the human element out of it, but it certainly helps you keep color consistent from sheet to sheet, job to job. If you're printing a job, today and the exact same job 6 months, a year from now, you don't have to worry about matching color. The consistency from job to job really makes you confident in selling the product. Anybody that's in the printing industry has probably been on a press check and sees a pressman pull out a densitometer and they're reading the densities across the sheet to make sure color is consistent across the sheet. If it's not, they go into the press and change the ink keys to push ink in one direction or the other, where this press is actually reading every single sheet. It's reading the color, and it's making changes on the fly to keep it within a specific delta E.
The stall folders, they are the most reliable for us. They don't go down. The operators know how to run them. If there is a problem, Heidelberg is just right around the corner. But it's just the speed and the make-ready times that we can get off those folders that is the reason it makes sense for us.
Well, the stall folders have been great, and just working with Heidelberg across the board, they can really help to streamline. We run the Heidelberg Connect pre-press workflow. Running kind of the Heidelberg workflow throughout the shop certainly helps to streamline things and help jobs flow through smoother. The Polar cutting system has been great, and we have the jogger and then the Transilmat, and so it's amazing how much one person can produce with the offloader. And so that's really just another labor-saving device. When I was in high school, my summer job was someone was cutting paper and I'd be the one that stacked the paper on a pallet. So I know firsthand, if you have a cutter operator that's doing a lot of cutting, there has to be a helper stacking, or it's really going to slow them down. So the Transilmat system has been huge for us. The Heidelberg workflow and helping to program and preset the jobs before they come in has been great for us.
The Heidelberg service has certainly been more than what we expected. When we have a problem and we go down, and the majority of them they have been able to fix, not even on site, but when we do need somebody on site, they're here normally the same day. I've grown up thinking and knowing that Heidelberg is just the best in the business. We've had Heidelberg presses since I was a kid growing up, and since I've started to look to the Heidelberg just company itself, is that they are the best. You go there and they're first class, they're investing in their products.